But he also said, yeah, it's north of here. I'm like, yeah. Wow.
Are they chasing this guy? I think they are. He's not pulling over for them. Wow.
Oh, I didn't see that. It's like a high-speed chase or
Well, it
something.
ain't that high speed.
It's not high. Well, they can't just. This car is not
Shit.
stopping?
Well, have we passed him? Has
No.
he pulled over? No.
Why isn't he pulling over?
He doesn't want to get...
Tired of driving.
Nope.
Oh, there they come.
2 more.
Whoa.
Alright, buddy, we can't block these guys.
Oh boy. Oh, something's going on. Oh, geez, state police.
80s too.
Whoa.
Ah,
Now we got a convoy.
yeah.
What the fuck? What's going on? Are they stopping?
No.
So they've changed their whole motto. Because it was pizza, Buffalo's Best Pizza.
Long time ago.
And then it went to Buffalo's Best.
Yeah, who knows?
Are they also on Southwestern?
There is one on Southwestern by that name, so...
It says Grill and Catering.
Yeah, I don't fucking know. Is this more flashing lights up there?
Oh dear. I don't know. People are pulling over, so.
They're chasing that guy.
Whoa!
They're still chasing...
Oh my god, he's all banged up!
Oh yeah.
That's that same truck, that same vehicle. That's that same vehicle
Yeah. Yeah.
we passed. Except
Wait,
that
back
one,
on
oh my
Boston.
god.
Yeah, back on Boston State Road, yeah.
Yes, and it's
We'll
banged.
be pulling over.